Just listen and stay calm. The words move slow and easy. Let them come in, day by day. Change starts while you listen. Part 3. A quiet return home.
The Nazis leave and the war ends. American jeeps roll into Sicily. People stand on both sides and cheer. Joy fills the street for one moment. Old hate wakes up at the same time. The dentist wife shouts loud. She calls to punish Malèna. Women rush into the house together. They pull Malèna by the hair. They drag her out to the street. Fists and feet hit her body. Clothes tear under many hands. Men hide and watch in silence. They do not step forward now. Her hair is cut off on the ground. Blood covers her skin and face. She kneels naked and cries out. She does not know her crime. Pain blocks every way to live. Her only fault is her beauty. Envy turns women into monsters. She leaves with a small bag. Curses follow her to the station. She gets on the train and sits still. The window stays closed tight. Her heart closes with it. Renato watches the train go far. He throws the record into the sea. Days pass and the town goes quiet. Life feels flat and still. 1 year later, a man appears. He has only one arm. It is Malèna's husband Nino. He did not die in the war. He was hurt and came back late. He finds no warm home waiting. He sees ruins and cold looks. Dirty stories reach his ears. The hero becomes a joke. Renato cannot stay silent. He writes a letter at night. He gives it with no name. The letter tells the truth. It says Malèna stayed loyal. She chose men only to survive. It tells him where she went. The next day, Nino leaves town. Another year passes by. Noise rises in the square. Renato turns his head. He sees the familiar faces. Nino walks with Malèna. They walk back into town. They face the past together. Time leaves marks on Malèna's face. Her body no longer draws eyes. Men no longer chase her. Women no longer fear her. She walks into the market with a basket. Old enemies say good morning. She pauses and answers back. In that word, pain fades away. Shame and war seem to end. Hands reach out to help her. Life moves on like before. On the way home, or in just fall, Renato steps out at last. He helps her pick them up. His hand touches hers once. There is no desire this time. Only respect and feeling. Renato watches her walk away. She is the color of his youth. He speaks of love and memory. Many asked to be remembered. Only one never asked. Her name is Malèna. She was the light of Sicily once.
We tell movie stories in simple English, so you can picture everything in your mind and learn English naturally through understanding. Follow the channel and make learning English easier.